there and welcome to the card grotto. Today I thought I would just pop in to let you know where I've been, kind of like informal vlog style I suppose. I just wanted to apologise for my lack of videos this month. I had one up at the beginning of the month which was my clearly besotted release video, and I've had none since. It definitely wasn't intended to be like that. I've had some health issues. I've been suffering really quite badly with migraines. Last month was particularly bad. This month has been even worse. If you happen to suffer with migraines, I'm hoping you'll have some empathy towards me, just because they're really not very great. My next door neighbours are having a loft conversion, which hasn't helped with both my migraines and also filming, because the noise is really quite loud, and obviously I'm trying to film around their kind of schedule and things like that, which obviously doesn't always work with the lighting and everything. So I don't really like to make excuses for why I haven't got videos done, but I also just wanted to share with you where I've actually been, because it's rare that I go through a whole month of not making a video without actually telling you in advance that I'm not taking some time off or anything like that. I haven't even got a whole video to share with you this month because I ordered something at the beginning of the month and it hasn't even arrived yet. So unfortunately I'm waiting for that to arrive before I can do a whole video as well. But you know, I just thought I'd pop in, just share with you where I have been. If you follow my blog, you actually probably wouldn't have noticed that I haven't been feeling that well. I've still been posting quite regularly over on my blog. It's just the videos obviously take quite a lot longer to make. I'm on the computer for a lot longer and things like that, so that's why, you know, the lack of videos. But I did have a video go up yesterday over on the Hero Arts channel, YouTube channel and blog, if you're interested in watching that, if you haven't already seen it. I made this card here using the Woodland Tea Party stamp set. Really cute little set there, so I will have a link to that video down below if you're interested. And these are all of the cards that I've made this month. I actually usually put them away as I make them, but this month it's just been one of those months and they've all been kept out, so they're all in a box. And so if you don't happen to follow my blog, these are all of the cards that I put up on my blog over there. A couple of these are sneak peeks from some cards that are going up in the next couple of days. So we've got the clearly besotted April teasers going up. All of the new stamps are in that tub over there, which obviously I can't show you just yet, but I will have a release video going up on the 1st. And all of my teaser cards will be up on the blog in the next couple of days. This morning I did a swatch of the new watercolour, the liquid watercolour from Hero Arts, the black one. And there is a new colour coming out soon as well, which I can't share with you just yet, but this is the black one just come in. I try and do my swatches quite early on, so if I get something new in I try and swatch it straight away. Doesn't always happen, but in this case I just had the one colour which was quite good, so I just swatched it out onto some watercolour paper and then just made a label on my label maker, and then I can stick that on. And then all of my swatches are in these binders here. I have shared how I do my swatches, but if you fancy an updated version just let me know and I can do that and, you know, do another video on that. But these are all of my watercolours and all my colouring mediums and things like that in this folder. I swatch everything. I don't know about you, I'd love to hear if you're a serial swatcher as well, but I swatch absolutely everything that comes into this craft room. I just really like having them all out so I can see what colours I've got and everything like that. I don't know why, just one of those things, I really like doing it. So managed to get that done this morning. I did just want to mention one other thing quickly. I'm going to move slowly around my craft room because I don't want to make anyone feel sick. But these boxes, these IKEA boxes that I hold my stamps in, I don't know if anyone else uses them, but I thought I would just mention. One of my Instagram followers, she kindly contacted me, which I'm very, very grateful for, to let me know that these IKEA boxes are being discontinued. These lovely grey fabric-y kind of feeling ones. And they're being discontinued by IKEA. The actual boxes themselves aren't being discontinued, it's the colour. So they're going from this grey colour to a blue colour. It's difficult to explain the shade of blue. It's kind of like in between a pastel blue and a bright blue. It's a bit of an odd colour. It's actually quite a nice colour. But since my room is aqua now and not blue, obviously I prefer the grey. So thankfully she let me know and I managed to pop into IKEA just last weekend and get a couple of extra ones. So if you happen to use them as well, I thought I would let you know, so you might be able to get in and get a couple. I got a few new ones, these round ones at the top here, and just got like one of each of the sizes that I use. I use the medium ones and then the smaller ones here as well. They're really nice size to store stamps in. So yeah, just thought I'd mention that. So like I said, I do apologise for my lack of videos, but hopefully in April I will have a lot more to share with you. I've got some ideas of some videos that I'm planning on going up, and also May is going to be quite busy for me. I've got a few guest design posts and things like that which I'm looking forward to. So yes, I wanted to apologise again for my lack of videos, but hopefully there'll be some up soon, and a haul video hopefully when my things arrive. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.